was his determination and unwavering faith that turned those failures into stepping stones towards success.
Dr. Kalam, the design looks promising, but there is still a problem with the propulsion system. The calculations are not aligning.
Let's revisit the equations, okay? Failure is not final. It's just a stepping stone towards success.
Despite the team's best efforts, the first few launch attempts met with failure. The setbacks were heartbreaking, but Kalam was not one to give up.
The rocket didn't even reach its intended altitude. What went wrong this time?
The media is calling. It's a disaster. They are questioning if India is capable of such missions.
We didn't fail, okay? We have learned that a fail is not a fail, but first attempt in learning. Let's examine every detail and find the flaw. A failed launch is not the end. It's just the beginning of our next attempt.
Abdul's ability to stay positive and motivate his even in the face of failure was his greatest strength. He believed that every failure was his best teacher and each setback brought them closer to success.
Kalam sir, your belief keeps us going. Let's start from the beginning and fix this.
Let's make history together, okay? Failure is not final. It's a stepping stone towards success.
After years of perseverance and learning from failure, the team was ready for their defining moment. On July 18, 1980, the SLV-3 rocket stood tall on its pad. The entire nation held its breath.
Yes, we did it. SLV-3 has successfully placed the Rohini satellite in orbit. India has entered the League of Prosperous Nations.
This success is not mine alone. It belongs to all of you who believed in the dream of self-reliant Indian in space and technology. Every failure we faced taught us something invaluable, and this is just the beginning.
Dr. Abdul Kalam's resilience and leadership had turned his dreams into reality. The success of SLV-3 was a monumental achievement, making him the Rocket Man of India.
Success is not a one-time achievement. It's the result of consistent efforts and learning from failure. If I had given up in my first setback, this day would never have come. So remember, failure is never a defeat. It's a part of process.
Dr. Abdul Kalam's journey at ISRO is a testament to the power of persistence, resilience and teamwork. His story inspires us to dream big, work hard and never fear failure.